Alright, so last time we got the rear end in, which was a success. It's a lot of pain, but success. So this thing still has the original paint on it, which I'm actually surprised. My old gas tank was completely rusted. So what I want to do is also just take Rust-Oleum, rattle can, whatever, spray paint this black. And then also I want to drain out whatever is in here, because this thing's been sitting longer than 2019, which was 2019 was when I picked up this truck. So I want to clean this out, drain all the gas out, get all the old gas out, and then get ready to paint this thing. So first thing is get the whole top hat out, or the fuel hat, whatever you want to call it. But I also want to keep that sticker on there, so I guess I'll tape that off when I paint it. So yeah, we'll get to that. They're coming out with this 8mm wrench. I can't tell if this wrench is worn out or not. Considering that these 8mm bolts are coming out with ease, just goes to show you the conditions of really old cars in the South versus the Northeast, or just the Rust Belt. That's insane.
Hey yo, you better flee, hops, or get your head blown 3 blocks. L keep rappers hearts pumping like G-box. And every year I gain clout and my name sprouts. Some brothers will still be virgins if crack never came out. I got the wild style, always been a foul child. My guns go boom boom and your guns go pow pow. I'm known to have a hottie open. I keep the shotty smoking, front and get half the bones in your body broke. And when it comes to getting nookie, I'm not a rookie. I got girls that make that chick Tony Braxton look like Whoopi. I run with 36, I'm never hitting dirty chicks. Got 35 bodies, buddy, don't make it 36. Step to this, your good is gone. Good is born, I leave Mike's torn when I put it on. So put it on, Big L, put it on. Come on, put it on and on and on. Come on, put it on, Big L, put it on. Come on, put it on, represent, put it on, come on.
Yeah. Not too much gas, but definitely smells like old gas.
Yeah.
It's not really that much, not crazy rust. So, alright, I guess we're gonna dump it in this container.
Cause I'm a money getter, also a honey hitter. You think you nice as me? Haha, I use a funny nigga. I flows, so one of my shows wouldn't be clever to miss. I'm leaving competitors pissed, to tell you the truth, it gets no better than this. I'm catching wreck till the break of dawn. In this song, yo, it's a must that I put it on. Yeah, so put it on, Big L, put it on. Come on, put it on, big fella, put it on and on. Put it on, Big L, put it on, represent, put it on. Come on, put it on. Put it on, Big L, put it on. Come on, put it on, big fella, put it on and on. Put it on, Big L, put it on, represent, put it on. Come on, put it on. Put it on, Big L, put it on. Come on, put it on, big fella, put it on and on. Put it on, Big L, put it on, represent, put it on. Come on, put it on.
And that's a little quick rough paint job on the top of the gas tank. And then next is to put the gas tank in and then paint the bottom. So we'll do that for next time.
1 week later.
So it's another night with the Hardbody. I was gonna put the gas tank on, but I realized that there's some other stuff I gotta bolt back on in order to get the gas tank to actually bolt to the truck itself. So now I'm trying to remember which bolts go to where, and then slowly piece it together so I can get the gas tank in. So there's that. Damn it. New York rust is getting to it. Now I don't have a bed. Let's do one of these. So now that we have the gas tank finally in, I could probably start focusing on things like the brake lines and fuel lines and whatnot before I start putting on the front suspension and all the other mounts and brackets that I probably forgot where they went. So yeah, and let's see. Just as I remember, does not make contact. Alright, so the camera doesn't do justice, so a blood donating card. It still clears it. Still clears it. So that's a success.
1 week later.
So we're back at it with the Hardbody again. This time around, we will be trying to install the brake lines and the fuel lines. Something tells me I probably should have installed the fuel and brake lines before I put like the gas tank back on, but it is what it is. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do it. But yeah, now it is time to install these, or at least try to. So let's get to it.
So you're present in my
So unfortunately, the rest of the video, I couldn't finish filming all of it because the battery on the GoPro died. So I essentially finished up the rest of all that, but I left the front parts of like the brake lines and stuff for another time because I haven't even installed the drop spindles and suspension and control arms yet, so I didn't even have a chance to like put in the brake caliper, brake rotor, and some steel braided brake lines that I bought, but that should be in another video. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.